This is Craig with Carshalton Advisory, and welcome to 2 Minutes to Master, a video series where I'll demonstrate a Microsoft Office technique in 2 minutes or less. So get out your stopwatch and let's get started. In today's video, we're going to master table slicers. We have a table containing nearly 12,000 retail sales transactions, and we'd like a simple way to quickly filter the data to give us detailed information about who completed the transactions, when they occurred, and the method of payment. Slicers can easily solve this challenge for us. Now there are two ways to add a slicer. First is via the ribbon. After selecting a cell within the table, the contextual tab, Table Tools Design, shows up in the ribbon. Upon selecting it, we can choose the Insert Slicer from the Tools group. The other method is by using our keyboard shortcuts. By hitting Alt, JT, and E, we can add a slicer. Now, whichever way we've chosen, our next step is to select the column that we would like to be filtered by our slicer. Let's select Tender Type down here at the bottom. After clicking OK, we just need to drag this up to where we would like it and resize so it fits in our screen. Now, if I click on one of the payment types, like credit, my table is automatically filtered down to only those transactions. As you can see, we now have 6,400 transactions, where before we had almost 12,000. Now, after adding a couple more slicers that filter the month and the cashier columns, I can now quickly see how many sales Connie made in March that were paid by cash. By control clicking, I can select more than one category in my slicer, like March and May. In order to delete the filters, all we need to do is click the X by the filter by the funnel symbol. Now master table slicers by downloading the linked file to add the 2 additional slicers to our original table. Subscribe to this channel to be notified of the next 2 Minute to Master video tutorial. Thanks for watching.